there, Matt.
Hello.
It's cold as fuck. Johnny, you're beasting it in that hoodie.
What?
You right there, Johnny?
I have short hair now. Fuck short hair, man. It's bullshit.
Right, jumped on then.
What's on? So we'll see the camera. Oh, what?
Oh, my hand's freezing. Oh.
Whoa.
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 Mad effects.
Whoa.
Me and Johnny are doing dangerous. Sorry, Mum. Oh, no, we're not. Shit. See that? Hey.
You cold? Cover it. I can't actually see anything. Yeah, I'm just not going to America. It's only a couple of days to New York, innit? What about this? Cheers, daughters. Well, maybe just because the steam's coming off, I don't know.
If you must. Don't drop the camera.
And then I was like, wow, I like this. And now I'm just sort of concentrating my hair.
Boy, look at that one.
What's going on? Oh, that's lit from.
Oh wait, Henry. Henry.
You right there, Matt? Oh shit, giblet.
Oh no, just started everyone. This goes out to my mum. Ah, that went up my nose.
What are you doing?
Yeah, but we've been in. Don't eat.
So you enjoying Africa so far?
It's pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, yeah.
I'll tell you
It's very zoo. No, don't, no.
1 and 10, 1 and 10.
No.
3, 2, 1,
4.
7. 3, 2, 1,
8.
4. 3, 2, 1,
2.
8.
What's on where we tackle Matt then? 3, 2, 1, 4. Oh, Matt, I got it now. Matt, come into the snow.
You've all got the mental age of a 4-year-old. Great.
Oh,
hey!
Oh shit, put it in my pocket. I've got some Iceland phone everywhere in my case.
Sorry. On your marks. Get set. Go.
I'm back.
Shit. Oh. Cheers.
Your camera's all...
Lewis, is your camera
You seem to be enjoying your milk a bit too much, Connor. What's
going on? It's got to go in.
Consume.
Bite down hard. That's solid.
Keep going. Stay like that. Let me actually bury you.
No.
Oh, sorry, you hurt.
Hello.
Oh shit! Fucking hell, it's
Why am
hot.
I covered in snow?
It's not a new header on Facebook.
You only get one shot!
I don't like this type of music, by the way.
So last night's vlog was sponsored by Morrison's Bacon Rasher Frazzle things. Tonight's vlog is sponsored by
Oh, you're right there.
Jamie Gilbert eating my Tesco's brand. Potato chips are a great snack. They taste very nice and are very greasy.
How do you feel about Jamie getting unchanged literally about 5 centimetres from your back foot? Back foot? What?
What do you mean, back foot?
Johnny!
Johnny.
What do you fucking cunts want?
Oh dear, Johnny's pissed.
Right, Lewis.
Yeah.
It's now just been day 2 in Iceland, and I wanted to do a little interview with you about how you felt the trip's gone so far.
Hang on, let me find out what day it is on Instagram.
We're just gonna edit in a little thing in the corner about here. It says Lewis Dobman.
It's officially day 164. It's going to be day 165 tomorrow.
Right, so day 2. Oh, daddy.
You're not in my plans. Instead, advice from my friends. I don't care where I'm at. I just detox and cleanse. I pull up in the beam. I just wanna see you. What the fuck am I thinking? My eyes burning, I'm blinking. No, I'm not in a hurry.